ถ้าชอบกดไลค์ถ้าใช่กดติดตามกันด้วยนะครับ
Wow, that was exciting. During the spring event in March, we showed the first pictures of the MG Marvel R Electric. They were published on our website, but today you see the new flagship in reality ready for takeoff. And allow me to refresh your memory about some of the car's USPs. The MG Marvel R Electric is a luxurious, compact lifestyle SUV with more or less the measurements of a Skoda Enyaq and a VW ID4. MG Marvel R Electric is made for European motorists who appreciate design, technology and performance. With a smooth, sporty design, the MG Marvel R Electric combines a generous interior with a futuristic exterior. The MG Marvel R will be available in two configurations, an all-wheel drive and a rear-wheel drive with 2 or 3 motors and in 3 luxury trims: comfort, luxury and performance. Marvel R Electric is available as a two-wheel drive with 180 PS and a four-wheel drive with a stunning 288 PS. Powerful, fast, efficient and exquisite performance, this car is unparalleled in the growing segment of electric cars. The rear-wheel drive has 402 kilometers of range and the all-wheel drive version 370 kilometer range WLTP. Fast charging is possible with a 70 kilowatt battery through the 11 kilowatt charger on board. Heating and cooling of the battery is possible with the standard mounted heat pump. Marvel R is fun to drive due to a chassis with aluminium subframe calibrated by German engineers. Marvel R is fast too, with 200 km per hour maximum speed and the swift acceleration of 0 to 100 km in just 4.9 seconds. Typical for MG is that all modern safety and advanced charging systems are available from the lower entry model, the Comfort trim. And of course we paid great attention to connectivity, an important aspect of modern life. You can easily connect your mobile phone to MG's iSmart connectivity system via the app. For more info on this, please take a look in the Apple App Store or Google Play. For further details on the MG Marvel R Electric, please check out the press kit or our website. And of course, there is just one more important question to ask. Matt, what will be the price of MG Marvel R Electric?
Thank you, Mike. The MG Marvel R will be available in the brand store next month and at a competitive price. The European price for the Comfort trim starts from 39,990 euros. The luxury trim starts from 43,990 euros. And the performance trim starts from 47,990 euros. Naturally, prices can slightly differ from country to country across Europe.
Thank you, Matt. The MG Marvel R Electric is certainly a stunner with an amazing price. And I'm absolutely sure that this car will get a lot of attention.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. Hello, MG.
Hi, how can I help?
Take me home. This is your captain speaking. Open the sunroof. Close the sunroof. Please. The all-new MG Marvel R Electric. Welcome on board.
MG, recharge yourself.
We will offer the all-new MGZS EV with a new appealing design. Most importantly, we will deliver the new MGZS EV with 2 battery packs. A small battery of 15 kilowatt-hours that replaces our current 45 kilowatt-hour battery, and a long-range battery with 70 kilowatt-hours.
But Matt, what does this new MGhsphevClub cost?
Well, the European starting price of the new MGZS EV will be €30,990 for the version with the small battery, and €34,990 with the long-range battery. Pricing can differ country by country.
Wow, Matt, that is great news. This is the car you've all been waiting for. MG modernized the design, improved the specifications, and most importantly, the MGhsphevClub is now equipped with a new and much larger battery that offers an electric range up to 440 kilometers. So worry-free electric driving is a guarantee for a fair price. The new MGhsphevClub can be charged quicker thanks to a 3-phase with an 11 kilowatt internal charging system. Fast charging is possible to 80% in just 30 minutes. And like all new MG models, from now on, the MGhsphevClub also has MG's iSmart connectivity system with an app. And ZSEV will have an improved navigation and infotainment system. The new MGhsphevClub will be in the brand stores across Europe as from the end of October 2021. Is this all the news we can share, dear Matt?
Well, Mike, you know with MG, there is always more. With MG Marvel R and the refined MGZS EV, we have 2 new 100% electric model introductions this year. I can confirm that there will be more. Early next year, we will launch the world's first electric station wagon named MG5 Electric. At MG, we asked ourselves, why are so many electric vehicles becoming less affordable? While at the same time, more people would like to benefit from the advantages that electric mobility has to offer. We listened to our customers and understood that European families want a functional electric vehicle. Modern and safe, but for a fair price. The MG5 is the perfect answer to this need.
Yes, indeed it is. The MG5 Electric is a fully electric station wagon, also known as Estate. And as Matt says, it is the first electric station wagon in the world. MG5 is spacious, practical and functional with almost 1400 liters of trunk space. But MG5 is also safe, easy to handle, modern and high-tech. We will offer MG5 Electric again with 2 battery types. A long-range 61.1 kilowatt-hour type with a WLTP range of 400 kilometers, and the smaller and less expensive 51 kilowatt-hour battery. And as Marvel R Electric and the new MGhsphevClub, also MG5 Electric will be connected thanks to MG's iSmart connectivity system with an app. We know that customers will ask for a fair price. Matt, do we meet those expectations?
Yeah, there's no doubt about that, Mike. The MG5 Electric fits perfectly in the MG formula. We offer cars that are well designed, of good quality, safe, readily available, and offered with advanced technology for a fair price. Therefore, we will offer the MG5 Electric at a starting price below 30,000 euros. The MG5 Electric is expected to be in the MG brand stores in the first quarter of 2022.
At MG, we believe that electric driving is here for everybody. So we'd like to present to you the MG Electric family. The all-new MG ZS EV features a new design.
Hi, MG. I'm here. Open sunroof.
Longer range and connectivity. The new MG5 is the world's first 100% electric station wagon. Spacious, practical, connected. The MG Marvel R Electric combines design and intelligence.
Hello, MG.
I'm listening.
Go to the park.
And our MG EHS plug-in hybrid gives you more range when you need it. Explore your electric future with the MG family.
MG, recharge yourself.
And it is with this bombshell we end today's show. Thank you, dear Matt, and thank you, dear viewers.
See you next time.